This week at the General Assembly. This week, the Senate passed its version of the budget. The Senate's plan includes experience-based pay increases, but does not provide raises to the most experienced teachers with 25 years of service. The proposal includes a special provision that incorporates Senate Bill 862 to forward fund the Opportunity Scholarship Voucher Program. It would increase funding for school vouchers by $10 million each year until it reaches $145 million in 2027. Funding for textbooks and digital materials was changed from recurring to non-recurring. Additionally, the Senate's budget proposal would create a 2-year pilot program to give $10 million in bonuses to reward teachers for improved reading scores by the end of 3rd grade. The House keeps a 15-point scale and proposed to change the ratio that determines school performance grades to 50% school achievement, 50% school growth. The Senate, however, wants to keep it at 80-20. Last year, NC-DPI's budget was cut 5%. This year, the Senate proposes cutting DPI's funding by another 4.8%. In contrast, the House budget proposal included $7.5 million extra for the program. Next, the Senate will negotiate with the House's budget proposal. Some are predicting that the budget will be finalized by June 15th. House Bill 539 would force school districts to share their program-specific funding with charter schools. Proponents of charter schools are urging the House to pass this bill that would take more funding from already underfunded traditional public schools. This is another pilot program, and we have seen how pilots have been quickly expanded even without supporting data. Just like with vouchers and virtual charters, where they have increased funding and relaxed the standards and rules. This bill is likely to be voted on this coming week. On Thursday, the House passed House Bill 1080 with a vote of 64 and 49 against. Now the bill moves to the Senate. If passed, it would establish an achievement school district, a statewide school district that could turn over schools to for-profit charter operators. Qualifying schools must receive a performance score in the lowest 5% of elementary schools. Visit our website to sign our petition to tell the Senate that NC does not need an achievement school district. Achievement school districts have failed everywhere they have been used. This week, House Bill 632 was ratified and presented to the governor. This bill prevents third-party vendors who contract with public schools from releasing personal information or using that data for targeted advertising. For more information about education bills, visit our legislative updates page. Take a look at the 2016 NC Teacher Working Conditions Survey. This year, 101,846 educators responded. NC teachers reported that their principals and other school leaders were key to their job satisfaction.